Hey, did you hear about the recent incident? Apparently, their equipment was rejected due to non-compliance with welding codes.
No way. That's terrible news. Welding codes are so crucial for ensuring safety and quality.
I'm still a bit fuzzy on what welding codes are, though. Could you explain them to me?
Sure. Welding codes are a set of rules and guidelines that govern the welding process. They cover everything from material selection and joint design to welding techniques and quality control.
I see. And these codes are like industry standards, right?
Precisely. Organizations like the American Welding Society, AWS, and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, develop and maintain these codes to ensure consistency and safety in welding operations.
But how do welders know which code to follow for a particular project?
That's a great question. The code selection depends on factors like the industry, the type of structure being built, and the materials involved. For instance, the AWS D1.1 code is widely used for steel structures in building construction.
I imagine following these codes is crucial, especially for critical infrastructure projects.
Absolutely. Welding codes aren't just recommendations, they're legal requirements in many cases. Failure to comply can lead to severe consequences, including structural failures, fines, and legal liabilities.
Wow, that's intense. It really highlights the importance of proper training and certification for welders.
Exactly. Welders need to be thoroughly trained and certified to understand and follow the relevant welding codes. It's a matter of public safety and professional integrity.